These are the top 5 offers on ClickBank for December 2022. Let's jump right in. Number 5, we have Ignite. With an amazing payout, it's about as close to XP as you could get of $147.79. This offer is fantastic, especially if you're looking to change things up. You've tried the pills, you've tried the powders. The liquid is the next thing that you need to try, and your audience will really eat it up. We're seeing great things from this, built for Facebook and media buying, TikToks, YouTubes, all those channels out there from your tier 1 socials, as well as something that's gonna burn up your email list and make you enjoy all of that delightful affiliate commission. Coming in number 4 this month, as you're probably well familiar, we have Prodentum. Now, I know Prodentum spent a lot of time at number 1. It's a fantastic offer, but as we see and things tend to happen, the offer is starting to hit a level of saturation and it moves down the list. That being said, Prodentum still is an amazing product and still getting great numbers. The cool thing about Prodentum, it's actually a proprietary ingredient. So if you didn't know this, it's a compound that was generated just for this product, so you know it works with really, really low refund and return rates. We have seen the EPCs dip a little bit in this offer over time, starting at 205, it was 184 last month. We're also down to 161, and something that you could definitely promote to any traffic source, whether it's YouTube, native, email, whether it's just talking to your mom down the street. Doesn't matter. They're great offers to promote anywhere, and you should definitely start doing it. Coming in number 3 is Protetox, which is something I've been mispronouncing for far too long. This hit number 1 last month. That is not a mark that this offer isn't still fantastic. Also does come from, again, a very proven marketer. They've had multiple number 1 weight loss hits, and you're getting something that's gonna work across all sorts of different verticals, whether you're doing YouTube, Facebook, with the 175 EPC that's still very, very strong and an average payout that's just under 140. It's universal and something that's still converting very, very well. So coming in at number 2 is Alpiline, a really amazing new offer. What you really need to know is it's a new supplement. You have a great VSL, and this is coming from a previous offer owner that has created some of the biggest offers on our platform in the weight loss space. Strong EPC of 259 and conversion rate of over 177. This thing is a powerhouse with an average payout of 136. Great for traffic channels like Facebook and YouTube. Coming in at number 1, we have a very perfectly timed product. It's Diamond Trump Bucks. Not a surprise given what happened in November and all the political charge stuff that's going on. This is an amazing offer for anybody that could run traffic towards a political conservative list. It is converting insanely well. People are making so much money off this offer that's just too hot to handle right now. Sometimes tier 1 networks are a little bit challenging with an offer like this. It's so politically motivated, you do want to be careful where you promote it, because the audiences that aren't going to fit that conservative mindset, the offer will not only not convert well, it's likely to upset your list. If you have that audience and a way to contact them through social networks, forums, blogs, display, probably third-party display, this is gonna be a fantastic offer for you. Thanks so much. I'm gonna go take some flu medication, and we will see you next time. Have a good one.